Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NMS School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Indian English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, Assignment-4 discussions. Let's see our today's topic. Annual term 2021, class 8, subject English, topic Assignment-4. Lecture 3, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my contact number and today's date. So my dear students, as you can see, this is your English assignment number 4, and chapter and title of the chapter we need 4, lesson number and topics, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Assignment are your assigned task. Lesson 3, hygiene. So, what is your assignment? Let's read. Priya lives in a village. Nowadays, she is confident to the Priya lives in a village. Nowadays, she is confident to the she's confined. This will be confined. There is a mistake. This will be confined. C-O-N-F-I-N-E-D, confined. She is confined to the 4 walls as her school has been closed since 17 March 2020. She became scared when she came to know that a deadly virus named Corona spread all over the world, and the government of Bangladesh requested people to stay at home to stop the spread widely. To maintain personal health and hygiene, people need to eat nutritious food and take regular exercise, wash hands frequently, and maintain social distance to be safe. However, it makes her sad seeing many people not following the rules. My dear students, there is a mistake, one word. This will be confined. C-O-N-F-I-N-E-D. The word will be, she is confined to the 4 walls as her school has been closed. You are also staying at home. So what is your assignment? Assignment is, now think of the existing worldwide corona pandemic situation. First, think about the situation, pandemic situation. List 10 protective measures, how we can protect from coronavirus disease. And make a poster to stop the spread of coronavirus disease COVID-19. So you have to list 10 protective measures and you have to make a poster. You know how we can make a poster, previous assignments. You can use calendar or any art paper for this assignment, for the poster. So list 10 protective measures and make a poster to stop the spread of coronavirus COVID-19 disease. Okay? Instruction. Students are asked to follow the general rules of making a poster. And your submission date is 31/08/21. This is your submission date. And my dear students, in the topic sentence, in the topic how you'll write the topic. So this is the topic you will write before listing 10 protective measures. Topic is list of 10 protective measures and a poster to stop the spread of coronavirus disease COVID-19. So this is the topic you write, before starting the poster, and cover page you will write this topic. Topic, list of 10 protective measures and a poster to stop the spread of coronavirus disease COVID-19. So let's see assessment criteria. So, excellent. Students will be awarded excellent for relevant information, appropriate content and grammar, spelling, punctuation, complete communication and creativity. Very good. Students will be awarded very good for relevant information, appropriate content and grammar, spelling, punctuation, partial communication and creativity. Good. Students will be awarded good for inadequate content, error in grammar, spelling and punctuation mistakes, less communication and creativity. Need to progress. Students will be awarded needs to progress for irrelevant information, inappropriate content, frequent grammar, spelling and punctuation mistakes, along with incomplete communication and creativity. So you can also contact with me and Fatima Sabri Shikha Miss. This is a number. You can also contact with me. This is my phone number, contact number. So my dear student, English assignment 4 and your submission date is 31st/08/21. So my dear students, do your assignment, English assignment 4 at home and submit on 31st August 2021. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.